This is optional, but I like to use it because we get a lot of algae in our pool. We have a very hot environment here and algae loves it. Step 2. Pool power off. It's the one that says pool. Don't forget to turn it back on. Step 3. Release the pressure. It's that easy. That's a little valve. You can hear it. The pressure is now off. This is the longest screw ever.
Wow.
There we go. I'll set that there. And then once you have that done, it's still going to be on there pretty good. So I might have to use the butt of my wrench again to sort of pry it off. There we go. I'm not going to need that until I put it back together. Then you kind of just easily get that off. You can set that down. And this is very gently pulling this off because there might still be some pressure in there. And it gets pretty stuck because there's, you know, several hundred pounds of pressure. There we go. So there. Boom. One of the other reasons I take it off really easily is because this rubber washer, if it comes off, it's really hard to get back on.
Back in.
You need 4 hands. This comes straight off, sets there. Clean the top of that off, blah, blah, blah. And this is not in that bad of shape. These come out one by one. Easy. But you can see it is dirty.
Okay.
So I give this, I don't know, a few sprays. Usually 16. And then just take it off.
Oh, wow.
So I let it overflow a little bit in case there's, you know, leaves and extra garbage that can get stuck in there. And then I very carefully put this back on so I don't mess up that rubber gasket.
So that would affect the seal.
Now I pull this back up, this little skirt. And then you gotta get that into the hole. There we go. You see the gap is pretty wide right now, but that's why this bolt is nut is so long on this bolt, and the spring is there so that it really clamps it down.
It's hot out here.
It is. It's over 100 right now.
Yep.
But it's a dry heat unless you're under my hat. Last but not least, don't forget to reset the seal. When we turn the power back on, and then if it's on its natural, like scheduled on time, it'll click on automatically. If not, you got to turn it on manually to make sure that your siphon has been reset. Can't make it work if you got no power. Boom. So this is going to spend at least 2 to 3 minutes to re-get its suction. It's sucking all that air out of this long pipe. It's not supposed to be this way, but that's our system, so I'll install a check valve there sometime soon.